Hello guys, I'm Paris the Option Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets were negative in the start of the day, then they consolidated, and in the end there was a big buying in Nifty and Bank Nifty, both of them, right? So what you can do for tomorrow, right? What is happening in the market first of all is that there is a lot of consolidation, and whenever there is a consolidation, a big move will follow, right? So tomorrow is one of the days where there is a good chance that we will see a good move in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, right? But that depends on where we open, right? That is a very crucial thing, right? Anyways, if you see, right, in Bank Nifty, as I said, right, between 44,260 and 43,850 is where we'll take no trades, right? And as you guys can see, if you would have taken a trade over here below this breakdown, you would have gotten a little bit of target, but then pretty much Bank Nifty reversed and, hit your stop loss, right? In Nifty, however, as I said, right, you can take a small trade over here below 80,585, right? And if you see, you would have gotten a trade, but over here, right, in the first candle itself, you would have gotten an entry, but it would have hit your stop loss. But if you would have taken a trade afterwards over here, right, if we go into the 5 minutes chart, and if you see, right, if you would have taken a trade afterwards over here, right, you would have gotten stop loss of 18,509, this high of 18,600. Your target would have been 18,540. 540 to 530, right, as I said. So you could have gotten a good trade, but yeah, that's why I say, right, whenever you're going against the trend, wait for the market to first confirm it, right? Wait for a closing, right? But yeah, I think I forgot to say that yesterday, and I think it is my mistake that I didn't tell that to you guys. So yeah, I apologize for that. But anyways, you would have gotten a trade over here, right? On the upside, now Nifty has given a very good closing, right? So tomorrow we should open at a very good place for us to take a very good long side trade, right? Because if we do not open at a very good place, right, say if you open with a gap down somewhere near 18,560 to 550, all these levels, then markets will become very negative, right? Because what will happen is that, first of all, markets have closed very bullish, so a lot of people have taken good, long positions home, right? So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 18,550, 560, all these levels, a lot of people will get trapped, right? Because of which they'll start exiting their positions at the open itself, which will create a very good selling pressure from here, and we could easily see, first of all, 18,480 to 470, this range over here. And your second target could also be easily 18,400 and even more, right, for positional. Because what will happen is that in the daily chart, first of all, we've consolidated a lot. So if we start moving down from here, we could most probably see a very good selling in the coming days, at least till this range of 18,300 levels, right? 300 to 340 levels on the downside, right? On the upside, again, going back to the 15-minute chart, on the upside, very simple. Tomorrow, if you open flat and start crossing 18,630, do not hesitate to, buy over here, because from here we could see a very, very good move till 18,700 very easily. And for positional, as I said, we could see a move till the all-time high, which is at 18,880. So most probably we could see some move till 18,850, 840 levels easily in the coming days. But yeah, for tomorrow, you can aim for 18,700 very easily once we start crossing 18,630 on the upside, right? Again, if you open, say, somewhere near 18,586, all these levels, right, between this range, then just wait for the markets to see where it goes, right? On the downside, what could happen is that market could come down a little bit and then take support and start moving up. On the other hand, markets could also kind of consolidate over here itself, right? Then the markets could break down. But if we open flat, right, I'm expecting that the markets will continue to move up from here, right? If you open with a gap up, right, above this range, then just wait for the markets to either come down till 18,640, and then you can start adding a little bit of quantity to your bullish trade. And once we break the high that the markets make in the first half, in the first few candles, and once we break that high, then you guys can go ahead and add aggressive quantity over here, right? In Bank Nifty, again, if you see, Bank Nifty has also closed very good, but even today I had to take an SL over here, because if you see, right, markets were very, kind of choppy in the middle, so I had to take an SL, and it's fine. Sometimes some markets are a little bit like frustrating, and this is just one of those market phases. And yeah, I think the next few weeks are going to be very good for directional traders, because from here the markets could take a very trending kind of a markets could get very trending, is what I'm trying to say, right? So on the upside, very simple, above 42,000 to 42,260 is where you guys will go ahead and take a buying trade. Your first target can easily be 42,000, 44,400, and your second target can also be 44,500 very easily, because I'm expecting markets to move up very good tomorrow itself. And your positional target can also be 45,000 on the upside, right? I'm expecting that we could see a very good move from here, because markets have consolidated, if we see, for a long time, right? So markets do need to move somewhere, and I think markets are getting ready like a pressure cooker from here, so that they could move up very high, right? On the downside, we should not open with a very big gap down somewhere near 44,050 to 44,000, right? Because if we open with a gap down, a lot of people will get trapped, and we could see a very good selling market from here. Very good selling market from here. You can easily keep a target of 43,800. I think that will be achieved very fast over here, right? On the downside, but your positional target can easily be 43,500 also, right? Because markets have consolidated for a long time, as I said. If we go in the 1 hour charts and just see, right? Yeah, markets have consolidated for a long time over here. If you see in such a big range, right? From like half of May till till now, markets have consolidated for a very long time, and they need to move somewhere, and they will move somewhere. They will move big time in either direction, right? So tomorrow is kind of a very important day to decide where the market is going, right? On the upside, if you open with a gap up somewhere near 44,300, 44,350, 400, just wait for the markets to come down till 44,250, right? If the markets do not come down, however, and just sustain these levels, then wait for the markets to break their high after first 1 or 2 15-minute candles. And once the market break those highs, you guys can then go ahead and take a trade over here. Your first target will be 44,500, and then you can just trail your SL to cost or a little bit above cost, and just hold for higher levels of 44,800 also easily, if you want to hold your trade for overnight. Or else you can just wait till the day end and see how far the market goes on the upside, because I am expecting a trending market from here, and also a trending day tomorrow if we move up from here, right? On between 44,050 and 44,260 is the zone where we'll take no trades, because this is the zone where again markets will decide where to go, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and markets are building up for a very good move in either direction. So tomorrow's move will be very important. We'll need to see how the market opens and where the market moves, right? So I am expecting that the markets will kind of be very trending tomorrow if we open at the right place, right? So opening is very important. So anyways guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.